Hello, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and extend the list. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display in this menu. Let's start with brightness level. As you can see, we can adjust brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable night light, and also adjust it. Then we can change wallpaper, enable or disable dark theme, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. Then we can change font size, display size, set screensaver, and in the end, manage lock screen display. For example, we can select notifications on lock screen, add users from lock screen, set a lock screen message, and show lockdown option. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.